Good morning, folks. This is Country Boy 360 Angler. I'm coming at you this morning from Hopedale. I just launched at the Hopedale Marina. Gonna head out to the Rock Dam, anchor up, fish some live shrimp. I rigged up a couple of new types of rigs I've never fished for, dropper loops and stuff like that. So I want experience. I'm going to experiment a little bit. So if I read the tide chart right, I have a outgoing tide from now, which is 5:56 to about 9 in the morning. At 9 in the morning, the tide should shift and become a incoming tide with high tide. I don't remember what time it was, 2, 4 o'clock, something like that. Doesn't matter to me. Might matter to the fish, but I won't be out here no matter what. So hopefully this morning I can catch y'all some fish. I'm hoping I can learn some new things. I'm coming out here Friday with my buddy in a boat, so hopefully I can learn some stuff, even though everything will be totally different between today, which is Monday, and Friday. So hope y'all enjoy the video. Oh, and I'm trying a chest harness. I think this might be the first time I've ever tried a chest harness. Not sure how it's going to turn out. Let me know what you think. That way I can decide whether I want to use the action hat or the chest harness from now on. My wife says I move my head a lot, so I figure maybe if I'm on my chest, the camera might be a little bit more steady. So hope everybody has a good day. Hope everybody's staying safe, and hopefully I'll get some nice video of some fish, and I will talk to y'all later. Country Boy 360 out. So it is definitely an outgoing / low tide. Like I said, about another 3 hours and I think it changes and starts coming in. I can tell when I got up here to this point, because I can definitely see a water line. You know, some people I'd be like, well, if you usually fish a place and it's high tide, why, and you do okay, why go during low tide? Well, the point is I haven't fished this area a ton, less than 5 times. Different wind conditions, different tide conditions. So honestly, I don't know when the fish are here. I don't know if they're here on an east wind with high tide or an east wind with low tide. I don't know what they prefer, but I do know that the water up here is pretty deep, so I'm thinking low tide or high tide might be about the same, but the only way I can find out is experiment. So that's kind of what I'm doing out here today. It's always great to catch fish. It's kind of hard to put out a fishing video if you don't catch fish, but I expect to at least catch one, which means I can put out a video. So hopefully I do better. So I'm gonna go up here. I'm not sure if you can see on the camera yet, but there's the rock dam's right up in front of me, and there's 4 poles. I'm going to the, I don't know, I'm going to the middle one. So hope y'all have a good day, and hope I have some good luck. don't think it's gonna work. Okay, so I thought I'd do an outro while I'm on my way in, give a little rundown of today. This is probably the absolute worst day I've ever had at Hopedale. Catfish a lot, got barbed, I guess you could say twice. Once in the hand when I was trying to get the hook out while I was in the net, and when I put one in the boat, I had a smart idea of, well, I'll just kind of hold it with my foot, but it flopped and got me in my foot too. So the NRS boundary boots are not catfish barb proof, just in case you wanted to know. But anyway, today was not a good day for anything. I caught a few specks. I think I caught a white trout. I caught a really big black drum. I caught a eater size black drum. I think I kept 2, maybe 3 specks. 2 were okay size. The last one was right at 12 inches, but he swallowed the hook. So I mean, when I got him in the boat, it was, he already had, his throat was done. So I'll just fry him up when I fry up some of the other ones. But it wasn't a good day. Water temperature 77. The wind wasn't in my favor. There really wasn't much wind. I had an outgoing tide that was supposed to change the incoming. I can't tell a difference, but that don't mean there is not a difference. It's just coming in slow. So that just wasn't a good day, but hey, you have those days and you have great days. But at least I'm healthy, and I can go fish pretty much anytime I want. So that's always a positive. So I'll get this edited to show what little bit I did catch. Like I said, it wasn't my day. So thanks for watching, and I hope everybody's staying safe. Hope everybody's doing well, and you know, just take care of yourself out here during this virus stuff going around. Just be safe. So until next time, Country Boy 360 Angler out.